carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. That's the part most students memorize. But why does it sometimes turn clear again when excess carbon dioxide is added? Let's understand why. First, lime water is just a common name for calcium hydroxide solution. So when you see lime water, think calcium hydroxide, aqueous. The aqueous, AQ, means it is dissolved in water. Why milky? Let's write the equation. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate plus water. When carbon dioxide is bubbled into lime water, it reacts to form calcium carbonate. This is our white precipitate. Now, this is the key point. Calcium carbonate is an insoluble white solid. So a white precipitate forms, and that is why the lime water turns milky. Why does the solution turn clear again? That happens when we bubble excess carbon dioxide. Let's write the equation first. Recall that calcium carbonate plus water were first generated when we bubble carbon dioxide into lime water. Now, we continue to bubble excess carbon dioxide and it gives this compound. So when we pass in excess carbon dioxide, the story does not stop there. The calcium carbonate can react further to form calcium hydrogen carbonate. And this compound is soluble. So the white precipitate of calcium carbonate disappears and the mixture becomes clear again. So the full idea is this. Carbon dioxide first turns lime water milky. Because a white precipitate of calcium carbonate forms. With excess carbon dioxide, their precipitate reacts further and dissolves, so the solution turns clear again. That is the chemistry behind the observation.